Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment method on AT&T. If you don't have AT&T, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the descriptions below for various phone and wireless offers. To start, open the website att.com. Then click on Sign In. On the drop-down list, click again on Sign In. To sign in, enter first your user ID. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the page. Click on Settings. On this tab, you will see a section for payments. Under it is an option for stored payment methods. Click on Stored Payment Methods. Now, select which payment method you wish to add. If you chose Add a Bank, you could choose whether to sign in with your bank, or to enter the details manually. Then just follow the on-screen instructions and prompts. In this video, we're going to add a debit card. If you're also going to add a credit or debit card, enter the card number, expiration date, security code, billing zip code, and the name of the payment method. Then click on the Save Changes button. Now, you will see a message saying that your payment method has been added. That's how you add a payment method on AT&T. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.